Okay, so good morning to all my followers. This is Sponda Ludo channel. Once again, we're coming directly to you this morning with some fantastic plan. This Thursday fortune. Uh, like, comment, share the videos I share on the platform. Subscribe, recommend the platform to others. And we are grateful. We are grateful for the people who have been calling to encourage. We are grateful for the people who have been calling to encourage us. When the going gets tough, the tough get going. So we appreciate your calls. So today, Thursday fortune, it's a direct plan. It's a Thursday setup. It's a Thursday setup, and the second from 2023 to 2024. Then there's another setup from 2024 to 2025. So this is what we have studied, and then we are bringing the outcomes to your notice at this particular material moment. All right, so there is a game. You see, I saw this 79. Counting with I saw this 85, 79, 85, 79, 85. Yeah, the event numbers are showing this 2023. So 79. Counting with all this 85. You see. So counting with, you come and see different 62 figures. You see. So 65 single 3. Alright. Then you see 20 here. So when you see the 20 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 with 20, 20 from 6, 7. The 20 from 6, 7. We'll drop this 47 here. You see, then the 20 comes under the 47. Then single 2 locks the two numbers. You see different 62 figures. 20 here. So 20 from 6, 7 is this 47. Then 20 comes under the 47. This 20 comes under 47. Then single 2 comes under it. I will not go over this one again, so let me start again. 79, 85. You see, then you see these different 62 figures. 20 from 6, 7 drop this 47. Then 20 comes under the 47. Then single 2 will be under the numbers. Alright, so counting is this 79. The 79 that you saw here will move here. You see, will move here. So when the 79 moves there, 1, 2, 3, you see 18, 83. 18, 83, addition 101. Addition 101 figures. So when that happens, counting with, you come and see 76, 14. So let me come here again. So when 79 comes back, you see this and this addition 101. Counting with, you come and see 76, 14. Those are just some numbers that I'll be using for some operation. This 76, 14. They are not addition. They are two numbers I'll be using for some operation. By the time I finish the operation, you understand what I mean. Now, following week, a number will come to first boss. Then this 83 will move to machine. You see, this 83 will move to machine. A number will come to first boss. This 8 addition 101 figure, the one in machine will return to machine. You see, then you see a number at first boss. So that number, this single 2 will move straight and come and lock that number. This single 2 will move straight and come and lock this number. You see. Then somebody will say there's 64 in machine because the current one is 64 in machine, but the 64 I'm using for something different. Alright, so these two numbers, the 76 and 14, what are you using them for? This 9. This, you see, there's this 79 that moved from here to this particular place. It's saying that two numbers must drop to give you addition 79 on the line. So 75, 74 on the line means the 79 came to split. Alright. Therefore, how do you get the two numbers that are giving you addition 79? How do you get those two numbers that are giving you addition 79? And that is where the 76 and 14 here becomes important. The 76 14 are important because of getting addition of the 79. So what do you do? This 9 here from the 14. This number here from the 14, it will give you 5. You see? So you have two numbers 76, 14. So there's one within one machine. And you need then as such a 9. 9 is such a number at first of all. Then this thing to come and line under it. You see. Now those two numbers that are lined up here, first and first over here, subtract them. So now the 9, the 2 as a constant from the winning one. The single 2 from the winning one. So single 2. So the 9 from the machine 1. So 9. So you get what? 74. And then 5. You see. You get if you subtract these two numbers, 9 from this and 2 from the 9 from the 14 and the 2 from the winning one, you're getting 76, single 2, and then 14, single 9. So you subtract the 2, you get this and this. If you add these two numbers, you'll be getting your 79. The 79 that traveled from here to here, you'll be getting two numbers that are giving you addition of that 79, and they became too short over there. Your 83, the addition 101 figures, 1883. The 83 moved here. And the 83 came. You see? So it becomes 3 numbers over there. Now, see something. You saw addition 85 in machine. So when the 75, you see 79 and 85 were here. 79 and 85 were here. You understand it? And then the 85 first split into single 1, 84 to give addition 85. Before the 79 also split into single 5, 74. So the two numbers 79 and 85. The 85 will first split into machine, single 184, giving you addition of 85. You understand it? Then the 79 also split into single 574. And Lotto is saying that the two numbers addition 85. One of them will come to win here. So how do you get those numbers? And that is why these two numbers, the different 62 figures are important. So how are they important? The single 2 that will come from here and come and play at first ball here. That single 2 from the two numbers that I gave you addition, different 62. The two numbers different 62, the under one. So you have 65 and single 3. And I'm saying that use this one. The single 2 that from here came from here to first balls. Subtract that single 2 from the under one. You see, you'll be getting 1. You see, so it is that one that when you subtract from this 85 and you get 84. So that 84 will come to machine with the 84 to give you addition of what? That one will come from the 85 and give you 84. So 84 and single 1 will come to machine to give you addition 85. Therefore, that one must come here. You see, giving you 185, 1 single 574 as 3 direct with addition of this 83 move from here to here, giving you 4 numbers. So come and see the second formation. The second formation to you see 79. You see, then you come and see the same 85, correct? Then you come and see these two numbers, different 62, meeting 35. You see, so when they meet 35, 1, 2, 3, 4. This 35 from 67 give you 32. Then the 35 will come under it. Alrighty, go to party. Alrighty. So different 62, then the 35 from 67 will give you 32. The 35 will come under it. Then the second 2 under the number. So second 2 come along the addition 67 figures. Alright. So counting with this was 79 moved back. Right? This 79 moved back. When you move back 1, 2, 3, you see 51, 50, addition 101. Like the way you saw 1883. So 51, 50, addition 101. So when you see that finish, counting with, you come and see 58, 90. You are just looking for two numbers that if you subtract your first two numbers from, you'll be getting addition. You're getting two numbers that will give you addition 79. So this time around, it is 58 and 90. Now, then you see a number at first verse. So the first one, you saw this single 9. You see, by here, you saw 67. Then after seeing that number, this single 2 will move straight and come under it. The single 2 here, that is looking at addition 67 figures over here. The single 2 will move straight and come to first verse. No, before then, when the 67 drop, you saw that addition 101 figures. Like the way the 83 moved to machine. This one to the 50 moved to machine. You see, 50 move to machine to meet the 67. Then this single 2 here will move straight and come under the 67. So here is the magic. So you are going to look for two numbers that will give you addition 79, like the way you look for two numbers over here, 75 and 74, to get this 79. Then we did that by subtracting these two numbers over here from a number on this line. So we are going to subtract these two numbers from a number on this line, and those numbers that you subtract these two numbers to get addition, two numbers addition 79 are 58 and 90. So let's see something. So the same way you did this calculation over here, come here. So you have 58 again and 90. You see 58 and 90. Now the single 2 will come from this one, you see, and the 67 will come from this one. So you'll be getting 56 and 23, isn't it? So these two numbers, I did not give you 79. These two numbers, I did not give you 79. Yeah? The 58 over here, 90 here. Like the way the 76 and 14 were here. When you subtract the single 2 from the winning one, then the 9 from the 14. And that is what gave you 5 and 74. So here too, the single 2 from the 50, it will give you 56. 67 from the 90 will give you 23. If you add the 23 and 56, you should be getting an addition of 79 figures. So 53, 26 are your two direct. You see? So the same calculation I did earlier, I did the same thing right here. So 58 and 90. So 2 from this, 67 from this will give you 56 and 23. If you add the two numbers, you should be getting addition 79. Correct. So 23, 56 is two direct. Now, see something. Lotto is telling you that. So, like the way the 83 from here came to machine. The 83 from here came to machine. This 83, 1883 addition 101. So 83 came back. So the 83 was on the line. So that one is the same way 51, 50 addition 101. The 50 came here. So the 52 must be added to the numbers. But this is the trick. So that the way you saw single 185 in machine, single 184 in machine to give you addition 85, this 85. The way the 85 split into machine, single 184 before the 79 to split. The same way, if you're expecting addition 79 today, then there must be addition 85 in machine. So you saw 21, 64, 21, 64. The first one was single 184. The here is 21, 64. So how do you, so the first one, we operated with the different 62 figures, and we went to subtract single 2 from the under one. So here, come here, what are the different 62 figures? They are what? They are what? The first one is 63, 65, single 3. So here it is single 4, 66. So the first one is subtract single 2 from the under one. Single 2 from the under one, you got 1. So here, single 2 from this one will give you, single 2 from this one will give you 64. You see? So here we got single 1. So it is the one that came to machine here with a number that will give you 85, and that is 84. So here, if it is 64, the 64 too will come to machine. You see? And come with a number which is what? 21 to give you addition of that 85. Therefore, it is when you subtract this, the result of the subtracting the 2 from this one, which is the one, it is that one that came to machine with the 84 and came. So here, if you subtract 2 from the 64, the 66, you'll be getting what? 64. It is that 64 that will attract a number in machine to give you addition of 85. So it is the 64 that must be your banker. So 64 too is a banker. So wonderful people. Today, these are my numbers. Fortune Thursday, my banker is 23. 23 is my banker. 23. My too sure is 23, 56. You see, my 3 direct has some 20. I like these 3 numbers. I like these 3 numbers. But the single 2 is doing some magic over there. You see, so 23, 56, 64. Then you add the pen is giving problem. You add 50 to the number, so you get 23, 50, 64. So these are my 4 numbers. These are my 4 numbers. Yeah, these are my 4 numbers. Those of you who want to screenshot, 23, 50, 64, 56. 23, 56, 64 is my 3 numbers. My too sure is 23, 56. Addition 79. Then my banker is 23. Thank you very much for being there. Another wonderful opportunity. Sorry for a long video. I need to explain clearly so that people understand, because some people have been calling me that they like the way I exercise patience and explain. So please bear with me. Thank you very much. Whenever the plan needs to be very short, I'll do it short. When it demands that I explain things to be clear to everybody, I must do that. Some of you have better understanding, quicker brains. So bear with me. Thank you very much for another wonderful opportunity. National is coming very soon. National is coming very soon. By the next 1 hour, I'll be posting national. So I'm grateful to come your way once again. Thank you.